Most of the nearly 300 confirmed cases are at hospitals here in Wuhan.
There is heightened concern all across the world, including here at the U.S.
Officials here in Wuhan have designated 9 hospitals as treatment centers, including this one right behind me.
All eyes are on a new strain of a coronavirus. The outbreak of this new virus is linked to a seafood and animal market in Wuhan, China.
It's a coronavirus, and it's likely that this originated in some non-human animal and jumped from a non-human animal into a human.
Now, health officials believe the virus is spreading through human-to-human contact. The first reported case of this new virus was on December 31st, 2019. So, what is a coronavirus, and what do we know so far about this new strain?
A coronavirus is one of a group of viruses. There are a number of coronaviruses that infect humans. There are also a lot of other coronaviruses that infect other species of animals.
Like other coronaviruses, this strain is zoonotic, which basically means the virus can travel between animals and humans. In people, the symptoms vary. Some can be mild, like the common cold, or much more severe, like SARS or MERS.
It's also true that when SARS first started, it actually changed fairly quickly over the first 3 months. So we don't know whether this virus is a virus that is going to be stable the way it is now, or whether 2 months from now it's going to have some different characteristics than it appears to have now.
The way in which any coronavirus is transmitted is pretty similar.
The virus has to get to the cells that line the back of your nose and your throat. So that can happen because you breathe the virus in. Sometimes they might land on the surface around them and you might put your hand down and then put your hand up to your mouth. So it can be through the air or it can be from touch.
And depending on how you look at it, the symptoms the virus causes can mirror the common cold.
Like most people would really think about fever, cough, and shortness of breath. And unfortunately, for us in the Northern Hemisphere, we're in the middle of influenza season right now. So it's not uncommon at all for people to have a fever, cough, and shortness of breath because of an influenza infection or an infection with one of about 1 million other circulating viruses that cause an influenza-like illness.
The first confirmed case was in China. Since then, more cases were reported elsewhere in Asia, along with the US.